In this video, I'll show you how to set a song as your ringtone. Now let's get started. To set a song as your ringtone, you'll first need to have the audio file downloaded to your device. You can use any MP3, M4A, or WAV audio file that you'd like to use as your ringtone. Once you have the song downloaded, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then select Ringtone. Now tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to create a new custom ringtone. Select the audio file that you want to use as your ringtone. Depending on your device, you may be able to choose whether you want to use the entire song or only a selected portion of it. If you'd like to use the entire track, enable the option at the top of the screen. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Save. Your newly created ringtone will now appear at the top of your ringtone list and will automatically be set as your phone's ringtone. You can always come back to the ringtone settings and switch to a different sound whenever you like. And that's it. That's how you can set a song as your ringtone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.